In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change profile photo on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Snapchat app. After that, tap right here at your current profile photo or Bitmoji and you will be taken to that page. Now guys, we need to scroll down all the way until we find My Public Profile option. After that, tap right here at this pencil icon to head over to the Edit Profile mode. Here we can see my current profile picture. Actually, it is a Bitmoji. However, we can easily change it to any photo from our camera roll if we tap right here at that camera icon. It will open up our camera roll, and from here we can choose any picture. Let it be that one. And then to continue, we just need to tap at Save Changes, and after that the selected photo will be set as your current profile photo. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.